Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the install won't fail. Check Windows bitness and at least 4 GB RAM, then enable. NET framework. Next, download the SQL Server Express installer and SSMS. Choose Basic to save time or Custom to select features. Once the files are saved, run the installer as administrator. This reduces permission issues. Make sure Windows Update is current, because installers often require the latest runtime. Now move directly to running the installer. Follow prompts for instance. You run the Express setup and pick default or a named instance. Write that name down because you'll need it to connect. Choose Database Engine Services. If you want SQL accounts, enable mixed mode and set a strong SA password. Once installed, install SSMS and open SQL Server Configuration Manager to enable TCP/IP and set the port to 1433 if required. Make sure the SQL Server browser service is running for named instances. Finally, create a firewall rule to allow the SQL port so remote tools can reach the server. You finish by connecting with SSMS using server name \instance or simply localhost for default instances. Run select one to verify the engine responds. Then create a login, map it to your database, and assign roles. This is why mixed mode helps. Set up a scheduled backup or use export data for quick copies. If something breaks, check that SQL services are running, TCP/IP is enabled, the firewall rule exists, the instance name is correct, and credentials are valid. Those fixes resolve most issues fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.